Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. In today chemistry class we will start D and F block elements. Okay, we have completed P block elements with their properties and question part, reasoning questions and structure questions and reaction question, which were asked in different years. Okay, now today we will see the D block and F block elements. Okay, let's see D block. uh, D block in periodic table contains the elements of the group third to 12, in which electrons are in which D block in which D orbitals are filled progressively. Okay, D block in periodic टेबल में जो है 3 से लेके 12 ग्रुप 3 to 12 ग्रुप जो है इसके अंदर डी ब्लॉक के एलिमेंट्स पाए जाते हैं और इसमें जो है कि डी ऑर्बिटल प्रोग्रेसिवली फिल्ड होता रहता है, भरता रहता है. ठीक है, there are mainly three series. There are mainly three series of elements 3D series from scandium to zinc, 4D series from yttrium to cadmium, CD, and 5D series from lanthanum to mercury, 6D series from actinium is incomplete. ओके, ये क्या है, जो 6D सीरीज है वो अभी भी इनकम्प्लीट है. तो इस तरह से डी ब्लॉक के अंदर 3 सीरीज है एलिमेंट के. 3D सीरीज, last electron enter in the 3D. 4D series, last electron enter in the 4D, and in 5D series last electron enter into the 5D. Okay, and 6D series is still incomplete. Okay, note down. Let's see. Two series of inner transition metal, metal 4F and 5F are known as lanthanoids and actinoids. Okay, now we will see transition elements. Okay, D block elements are known as block elements are known as transition elements as they are placed between S and P block elements. Okay, and their d orbital, d subshell is incomplete. Subshell is incomplete. In either in ground state or in excited state. Okay, now two series of inner transition transition metal 4F and 5F are known as lanthanoid and actinoid. Okay, they are placed below the periodic table. Okay, in two separate series. Okay, ground state or in excited state. Okay, D block elements are placed between P block and S block and P block, and their D subshell is incomplete either in excited state or in the ground state. Okay, therefore they are called transition element. Okay, now we will see iron is the most abundant transition element. Iron is most abundant and widely used transition element. Okay, now we will see general electronic configuration of the transition element. General electronic configuration. Okay, of transition element. Now we will see general electronic configuration of transition element. As we know that transition element have two outermost cell incomplete. The general electronic configuration is general electronic configuration is n-1 D1 to 10 and ns2 comma ns2. zinc, cadmium and mercury are end metal of 3 series, end metal of 3 series, 3D series, or you can say 3 series, which have general electronic configuration electronic configuration n-1 D10 ns2. Okay, since these elements have complete D subcell, they are regarded as non-transition element. ओके, तो बच्चों जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स के क्या है, n-1 D1 to 10 NaS2. okay, but zinc, cadmium and mercury are the last member of इस 3 सीरीज. हर एक सीरीज के लास्ट मेंबर है, ठीक है, एंड मेटल ठीक, which have general electronic configuration n-1 D10 NS2, in which D is completely filled, only outermost is incomplete. Okay, since these elements have D subset complete. Okay, therefore they are regarded as non-transition element. Sometimes question is asked about that. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन पूछा कि विच वन इज द नॉन ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट बट केप्ट इन द ट्रांजिशन सीरीज, कौन से जो है एलिमेंट नॉन ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट होते हैं उसके बावजूद भी उन्हें ट्रांजिशन सीरीज में रखा जाता है और क्यों रखा जाता है। कभी ऐसे क्वेश्चन रीजनिंग में या रीजन इंसर्शन में मिलेंगे। ठीक है, अब हम देख लेते हैं वो कौन कौन सी सीरीज है। ओके, we have 3D series. From here you can make, and this first is 3D series, 4D series, and 5D series. Okay, from scandium it should be some scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. These are the elements of 3D series and their atomic number is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Electronic configuration is 3D1 4s2, 3D2 4s2, 3D3 4s2, 3D4 4s2. Here will be exception 3D5 4s1. Okay, here is exception. You can write like this 3D5 4s2. This is the exception. Okay, now 3D5 4s, here is 1, sorry, here is 1, 4s2, 3D6 4s2, 3D7 4s2, 3D8 4s2, again exception 3D10 4s1 and 3D10 4s2. This is the electronic configuration in which there are two exceptions, 3D10 4s1 of the copper, okay, and chromium 3D5 4s1. This is the electronic configuration of 3D series. Now we will come to 4D series. Okay, it contains yttrium to cadmium. Okay, yttrium, zirconium, nibonium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhenium, palladium, silver, and cadmium. These are the elements. Okay, and their atomic number is 39 from yes 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. These are the elements. Their electronic configuration you can see here. What is electronic configuration? 4D10. Okay. 5s. 4D1. 5s2. 4D2. 5s2. 4D3. 5s2. 4D5. 5s1. Okay, this way you can fill. Similarly, like the 3D series, you can also fill this. Same electronic configuration is here also. You can find the exception. Then 4D5, 5s2, 4D6, 5s2, 4D7, 5s2, 4D8, 5. Here will be 4D8, 5s2, and 4D10, 5s1, and 4D10, 5s2. Here is again silver has exception electronic configuration. Now we come to the 5D series. In 5D series, elements are one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lanthanum, hafnium, titanium, iridium, platinum, and once again, a student here will be tungsten, various, air bit, H. This is the element. Okay, and electronic configuration is 57. Then here is the gap of some elements. Okay, next it will start from the 72, from half here, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. Okay, these are the elements of 5D series. Now you will see the electronic configuration. See the electronic configuration. Here is 5D1, 6s2, then 4F14, 5D2, 6s2. Okay, 4F14, 5D2, 5D3, 6s2, 4F14, 5D5, 6s1, 4F14, 5D5, 6s2, 4F14, 5D6, 6s2, 4F14, 5D7, 6s2, 4F14, 5D8, 6s2, then 4F14, 5D10, 6s1, 4F14, 5D10 and 6s2. Okay, see the electronic configuration. Here is also exception. What is exception? Tungsten and gold. Tungsten and gold. In here is the omission of sub element, because 58 to 71 elements belong to the F block element. These are the lanthanoids and they are kept outside the periodic table. Okay, then after from Hopfian it start. Okay, then you will see 4F14 is common in all element from Hopfian to Mercury. Mercury is the last element. Its electronic configuration is 4F14 and 5D10, 4s2. Okay, then here is two exception in also tungsten, 4F14, 5D5, 6s1 and gold, 4F14, 5D10 and 6s1. Okay, these are the electronic configuration of the transition elements. Okay, here is 4 series, but 4th series start from actinium and that is incomplete. We will see, we will start general properties. Okay, general properties of the general physical properties of transition element. Okay, general physical properties of transition element. Okay, here we will see first atomic and ionic size. Atomic and ionic size. Okay, atomic and ionic size. In this you will see that from left to right, as we move in the any period of any series, you will see that there is decrease in size but gradual decrease in size, because last electron up to the copper enter inside the d subcell, and with increasing atomic number, their effective nuclear charge also increases. Therefore, from left to right, size decreases but gradual, not more much significant like the p block elements. Okay, and you will see that last series elements like the zinc in 3D series and cadmium in 4D series and mercury in 5D series, there is no significance change in size. Their size, because their inner d orbitals are completely filled. We will discuss in next class about the atomic size and